Hello and welcome to the channel about jobs. Today I'm going to sharing about the requirements from Dubai. So if you're looking for a job in Dubai as a Gulf country, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. So please keep watching this video up to end. Let's start. You can see here multiple vacancies in Emirates Transport in Dubai. The company name is Emirates Transport. There are several types of jobs. So let's focus which jobs is suitable for you. You can apply as soon as possible, and I will tell you how to apply the applying process. So let's focus job descriptions. Emirates Transport is looking for highly qualified and experienced manpower for luxury vehicles unit in Dubai for the following positions. Position number one, workshop supervisors. Diploma in mechanical, automotive engineering, preferable with at least 6 years working experience in a local leadership working on luxury cars. So, as I already told you, and also you can see here mentions they need high experienced and high qualified candidates. So if you want to work as a workshop supervisor in Dubai, you should have the diploma in mechanical automatic engineering, preferable with at least 6 year work experience in local dealerships, excellent written and spoken English, and with computer literacy in MS Windows. So you can see here the requirements for the workshop supervisors. Position number two, service advisors. The requirement from service advisor each diploma in mechanical automotive engineering, people with at least 3 years work experience in service advisory positions in local dealerships, excellent written and spoken English, wide knowledge in automatic systems like auto lines, extensive experience and knowledge in labor pricing and cross sales and off sales targets and warranty conditions. So this is the requirements for the positions. To work as a service advisors, you should have the diploma in mechanicals in minimum of 3 years experience, extended spoken English, wide knowledge in automotive systems in auto lines. Position number three, storekeeper, preferable with at least 5 years work experience in local dealership working on luxury cars. So here I would like to say one things. They did not mention the salary details, and they did not mention the how many candidates they need. What they mentions here for the advertisement published by the employer or the company, I am sharing with you. So don't be confused. The process is you have to apply initially, then you can discuss with the interviewer or the employer that what is the salary and what is the candidates quantity the needs, then you can go for it. So let's focus what is the requirements of storekeepers, preferable with at least 5 years working experience in local dealerships, excellent written and spoken English, extensive experience in maintaining and monitoring multi-brand vehicle stock inventories, wide knowledge in Oracle system applications, extensive knowledge of market OES suppliers of making tea merely in employer clean. So this is the related companies, and you should have the experience and qualifications to work as a storekeepers. So let's focus on the position number four, mechanic. So if you want to work as a mechanic, you should have industrial training or tradesman certificate in mechanical engineering, preferable with at least 5 years work experience in local dealerships working on luxury cars, European brands. Extensive experience in transmission and engine overhauling, excellent written and spoken English, and with computer literacy in MS Windows. So this is the requirements or the basic needs to apply for a job mechanic. Number five, electrician. What is the requirements for the electricians? Industrial training of tradesman certificate in mechanical engineering, preferable with at least 5 years work experience in local dealerships. As you can see here, this is a high profile and high skill demand jobs. You should have the qualifications with experience, then you can apply. So don't be confused. So for an electrician, you should have the 5 years of experience and extensive knowledge in reading and wearing diagrams and online coding, identifying excellent written and spoken English, and computer literacy in MS Windows. Then position number six, tinter. To work as a tinter, you should have industrial training of tradesman certificate in mechanical engineers. People with at least 5 years work experience in local dealership working on luxury cars, European brands, capable of repairing and replacing chassis, welding aluminum materials, extensive knowledge in using CCM devices, using heat induction equipments, and blending, riveting, and spares. Excellent written and spoken English, and with computer literacy in MS Windows. See, each and every positions they need experience and qualifications and compulsory computer knowledge with spoken English. So let's focus on position number 7, painter. To work as a painter, you should have industrial training or tradesman certificate in mechanical engineering, preferable with at least 5 years of working experience in local dealership, working on luxury cars, European brands. So here I would like to share you one thing that this job is with good salary. I am sure because they demand work experience and high qualified. So don't be doubt, don't be confused, the salary is good for this company. Industrial training and tradesman certificates, preferable 5 years of work experience, extensive color mixing capabilities, extensive knowledge in waterborne coating, metallic, extensive experience in top quality clear coating, single, excellent routine and spoken English with computer knowledge. So to work as a painter, this is the requirements to apply for these jobs. Position number 8, fuel alignment technicians. To work as a alignment technicians, you should have the industrial training or tradesman certificate in mechanical engineering, preferable with at least 5 years of working experience in local dealership working on luxury cars, European brands, extensive experience in handling sports cars, cars with ride height adjustments, all wheel steering and electrical steering boxes, and touchless passenger equipment and run flat tires installations. Extensive knowledge in repositioning procedures, TPMS programming, and resetting procedures, and straight track and road force balancing. How to apply for Emirates Transport jobs? So this is the applying process. So I would like to highlight it you once again. Position number 1 is workshop supervisor. Position number 2, supervisor, service advisor, storekeeper, mechanic, electrician, denter, painter, and wheel alignment technicians. So if you are interested to apply for these jobs and you have the qualifications and experience as per requirement from employer or company, then you can apply for these jobs. This is the applying process. You can see here I would like to highlight you how to apply. Interested candidates meeting the above requirements are requested to email their update CV to this email ID. So please make note this email ID. I will highlight you, and or to visit Emirates Transport in Umama All Normal Technician Services Divisions Block D first floor. So this is the Dubai address. If you are interested, you have the qualification and experience, you can apply by sending your CV to this email ID. Once you sending your CV or email ID, they will, if your CV will be shortlisted, then they will contact you for an interview. Once you getting success from interview, then they will guide you how to make the visa and what is the visa process and what is the next forward to get these jobs. So friends, here in these requirements, I can suggest you or I can request you, please go to the description under this video and you will get all these informations. And my first suggestion, you have to read it carefully and collect this information from the descriptions and read it carefully. Then you will know what is the requirements to apply for this above several jobs. So, if your experience and qualifications is matching with the requirements by the employer, you can apply for this job by sending your CV to this email ID. I already mentioned or I already shared the email ID in the descriptions, and all information I shared in the descriptions. So don't be confused. So many times in my previous videos I'm getting so many confusing comments, and some subscribers or viewers they're asking how to apply. Please don't be confused, this all information is in front of you, don't be confused. Go to the descriptions, collect these informations and read it carefully, then you can easily apply for these jobs. So friends, I hope this is the latest requirements. It's a new job openings from Dubai. I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. And my suggest again, please don't be confused. All information you have to collect from descriptions and read it carefully, then it will be easy to apply for these jobs. So today I hope this information will be needful and it will be very important for you, for your friends, for your relatives. And in the next video, I will share with you the latest job openings from another country. So up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye.